sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 46 of Legends of Ferrari F1, the die-cast 1/24 scale model collection from our good old friends down at DeAgostini. Now folks, if you'd like to grab this iconic collection for yourself, and who wouldn't, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have these in your collection. So what have we got today? We have got the Ferrari 312 B3-73 from the year 1973, driven by Arturo Merzario. Yes, there you go, folks. So let's have a scoop through this week's magazine, and then we'll get the model out and we'll have a looky look at what we got. Putting things right, apparently, it says there. This was Enzo Ferrari, who had just recovered from a long illness. He trusted the engineer Mario Forghieri with fixing things. He reviewed the model and introduced several modifications that would lead to happy future developments. Yes, folks. Looking rather splendid there, isn't it? All the different solutions they're coming up with there for different aero ideas. We'll have a look at this. Nice picture there of the car there. Quite low, actually. Quite a low profile body sculpt on that. But a big old air scoop there on the top there. Quite a squared off design, isn't it, folks? You'll notice when we get the model out and do the top down view, you'll notice it's quite an angular design. A different concept altogether. But look how low and sleek that looks in the profile shot there. Quite a beautiful example, I must admit. 1970 season was the last of the four that the Como-born driver spent at Maranello. He specialised in endurance races, it says there. Loads of information there. Absolutely loads of info there, folks, for you to have a look at. And then you got Alessandro Colombo is the profile there. So give the magazines a read, folks. You'll find out loads of information. So that's that sorted. We'll now get the model out and we'll bring that on the bench and we'll have a looky look at what we got. And there she is, folks. Coming in a nice big presentation display case, Ferrari badge there. Ferrari 312 B3-73, Arturo Merzario there, written on the side. So what we'll do is we'll drop this out of the case and we'll have a looky look at the model for you, folks, okay? And there she is, look at that. So we'll start with our top-down view, very sculpted shape there as the sides just come out over the suspension wishbones, which, as you notice, are integrated into the bodywork. Nice touch, that. I think that looks very elegant. I don't know why, it just does. And then comes round into the side pods and then literally squared off at the back there. Still got a very exposed engine, but again, you can see the suspension wishbones there all embedded into the bodywork. And quite a deep, flat wing there. Just one single element there. But quite a large wing there. Exposed gearbox, pipage and exhaust, as you can see. You can have a look down into the cockpit there. See the harness in place. Quite a nice wide area between side impact and the driver, which is nice to see. Front wing there. We can look at the steering wheel there. No PlayStation steering wheel. Analog instruments just behind on the dashboard. Manual gear lever coming along the side there with its connecting rod comes straight through to the back of the gearbox there. Let's have a look at the side shot, the money shot. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Again, gold wheels. Sponsors on the side. Nice legible number there, folks. You know my feelings on them. And then look at the shapes. You got the wing, obviously, then you got these rebated cutouts all up underneath here, coming along. Goes right up underneath there, and then you've got the intakes right at the very back here, you notice. And then you've got some cooling elements going along here. There's your driver's eye view down the nose of the car. And then the rear view there, looking through the back there at the 4 exhausts poking out underneath. Got a small rear light there, little oil cooler on the side. All the exposed suspension linkages and gubbins going on. I like seeing the engineering of it exposed, I must admit. Because now everything's all closed off with covers and everything. You don't see the mechanics and the technology that exists underneath these engine covers. I think for the Formula One fan, it's just nice to see all the engines exposed and that every now and then so you can have a good old nose at them. Big fat Goodyear tyres there on the gold wheels, rather sexy. And then obviously the Jaws music shot as he's looming behind you there. Nice little intake there. Allows air to come up over the front of the car there. And imagine that was to cool the driver down as well a little bit, just to throw a bit of air up. The big old snorkel there above his head. And then obviously same the other side there, all the exposed components as you can see. Along the side there, driver's name along the side there with a Ferrari badge. Nice touch. Absolutely beautiful model. Have a look underneath and see what was going on under there. Flat floor. But the big old exposed exhaust system then, again, you know, you can imagine this bottoming him out and absolutely destroying the undersides of these exhausts. But a beautiful example of a Ferrari there. Look at how underneath all the different components, linking the suspension up and triangulated tubing, like a trellis frame on an old Ducati motorbike. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful car. And again, I think you'll all agree, a beautiful example there. I must admit, I do like that. We'll just put her down so that we don't drop her. And that is the Ferrari 312 B3-73, 1973 for Arturo Merzario, folks. So if you would like these in your collection, head over to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can have these on your bench. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little Festa Pops in the corner and subscribe to my channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Keeps the channel alive and helps me keep the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming and future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Look at that. Stunning.